Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a really simple potato egg mayo salad. So I've got some potatoes here peeled and I've boiled them till they're fairly soft in some salt water. I've got some hard boiled eggs here, 4. Here I've got some rocket or jajir or arugula, whatever you call that. Little bit, tiny amount of onion, some mayonnaise. We're going to add a bit of salt and pepper, and that's it. Okay, could not be easier. Mixing bowl, potatoes and our rocket, or whatever you call that. Drop in that little bit of onion. I mean, you can be playing around with these amounts for sure. I've got my boiled eggs there and I just chop them up. Just going to go a little bit of salt, some black pepper. And then we're going to get some mayonnaise in there. Now, I don't like it swimming in mayonnaise, but again, like I say, you can adjust all of this how you like. I think that the green in there, the rocket or arugula, whatever you call that, gives it a nice peppery flavour as well. So here we go. In goes that mayo. And then we're going to give this a mix. And there you go. Could not be easier. Just finish it off with a little bit of chopped tomato on the top. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.